Imagine living your life feeling different, like you're walking a path that no one else around you seems to understand. It's not that you're alone, but your experiences, your thoughts, and your perspective on the world set you apart in ways that are hard to describe. This isn't by accident. There are individuals among us, chosen ones, who carry a unique purpose in this world. Their existence is no coincidence, and their journey is far from ordinary. These chosen ones may not even realize the full extent of their divine mission, but their actions, thoughts, and presence have an impact that ripples through the lives of those around them and beyond. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind these 9 unique chosen ones and their divine purposes. As we reveal each one, you might find yourself resonating with their characteristics, perhaps even recognizing the signs in your own life. Understanding your divine role isn't just about personal fulfillment, it's about fulfilling a purpose that could change the world in ways you've never imagined. If these chosen ones fail to recognize their calling, they may feel lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected from their true selves. This disconnection can lead to a sense of purposelessness, where life feels like it's moving without direction or meaning. But when the chosen ones embrace their divine mission, they step into a role that is crucial for the balance of energy and the spiritual evolution of humanity. Ignoring this calling doesn't just affect the individual, it disrupts the flow of divine energy meant to uplift others and guide them towards their own spiritual awakening. The stakes are high, and the consequences of not stepping into this role can ripple through generations. This is why it's vital to understand, accept, and live out the purpose you were chosen for. The first of these chosen ones is the visionary. The visionary has a gift for seeing beyond the ordinary, tapping into insights and truths that others might overlook. They can perceive patterns, connections, and future possibilities with a clarity that seems almost otherworldly. Visionaries are often ahead of their time, carrying ideas and perspectives that challenge the status quo. This can sometimes make them feel like outsiders, misunderstood by those who can't see what they see. But the visionary's role is crucial. They are the ones who light the way, offering guidance through the unknown and helping others to navigate the complexities of life with a deeper understanding. Their visions are not mere fantasies, they are glimpses into potential realities that can shape the future if acted upon. As a visionary, your divine purpose is to share your insights, inspire change, and lead others towards a higher level of consciousness. You are here to bring the unseen into the light, to help humanity evolve by showing them what's possible when they dare to look beyond the surface. The next chosen one is the healer, a soul entrusted with the divine purpose of restoring balance and harmony in the lives of others. Healers are often drawn to professions or activities that involve helping and nurturing others, whether through physical, emotional, or spiritual means. Their presence alone can be soothing, and they have an innate ability to sense when someone is in pain or out of balance. Healers often possess deep empathy and an understanding of the human condition that goes beyond words. They feel the emotions of others intensely and have a natural inclination to mend what is broken. The healer's purpose is to guide others back to their natural state of harmony, whether it's through physical healing, emotional support, or spiritual guidance. This role can be challenging, as healers often carry the burdens of others, but it is also incredibly rewarding. When they fulfill their purpose, they become channels for divine energy, helping to uplift and transform those around them. Healers are essential in the spiritual journey of others, as they provide the care and nurturing needed to overcome obstacles and continue on the path to enlightenment. As a healer, your divine mission is to be a source of light and comfort in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. You are here to remind others of the peace that lies within and to help them find their way back to it. The warrior is another type of chosen one, born to protect and defend the light in the face of darkness. Warriors are not only strong in spirit, but also possess a sense of justice and righteousness that drives them to stand up against any form of evil or wrongdoing. They are often seen as brave, courageous, and unyielding in the face of adversity. The warrior's purpose is to fight for what is right, to protect those who are vulnerable, and to ensure that the light of truth and goodness is never extinguished. Warriors are often drawn to roles where they can defend others, whether in physical battles or through advocacy and activism. Their strength lies not just in their ability to confront challenges head-on, but also in their unwavering commitment to their principles. They are the ones who rise to the occasion when others may falter, driven by an inner fire that compels them to act. The warrior's journey is not an easy one, as they are often called to face formidable opponents and situations that test their resolve. However, their divine purpose gives them the strength and courage needed to overcome any obstacle. As a warrior, your mission is to be a beacon of strength and resilience in a world that can often seem overwhelming. You are here to protect the light, to stand up for what is just, and to inspire others to do the same. Your presence ensures that the forces of darkness never prevail, and that the world continues to move towards a brighter and more just future. The teacher is the chosen one whose divine purpose is to illuminate the path to knowledge and understanding. Teachers have a natural ability to explain complex concepts in ways that are easy to grasp, making them essential guides in the spiritual journey of others. They are often curious and lifelong learners themselves, constantly seeking new information and insights that they can share with others. The teacher's role is to spread wisdom and knowledge, helping others to see the world from a higher perspective and encouraging them to continue growing and evolving. Teachers are drawn to roles where they can educate and inspire, whether through formal instruction or by simply sharing their knowledge with those around them. They have a deep understanding of the importance of knowledge in personal and spiritual development, and they take their role as guides very seriously. The teacher's purpose is not just to impart information, but to ignite a passion for learning in others, helping them to unlock their own potential. As a teacher, your divine mission is to be a light in the darkness, guiding others on their journey of discovery and growth. You are here to share your knowledge, to inspire curiosity, and to help others see the world through the lens of wisdom. Your presence ensures that the light of understanding continues to spread, helping humanity to evolve and reach higher levels of consciousness. The nurturer is a chosen one whose divine purpose is to cultivate growth and potential in others. Nurturers have an extraordinary capacity for patience, care, and encouragement. They see the potential in everyone, even when others do not, and are dedicated to helping that potential blossom. Whether in a family, community, or larger group, nurturers provide the support and love needed for others to grow and thrive. Their presence is like fertile soil, providing the nourishment that allows seeds to flourish into their fullest expression. Nurturers often find themselves in roles where they can care for others, such as parenting, mentoring, or counseling. They have a deep understanding of the importance of providing a safe and supportive environment for growth. The nurturer's purpose is to be the foundation upon which others can build their lives, offering stability, encouragement, and unconditional love. As a nurturer, your divine mission is to help others realize their full potential, to be the gentle hand that guides them towards their destiny, and to create an environment where growth and transformation can occur. The messenger is a chosen one tasked with the divine purpose of being a bridge between the spiritual and earthly realms. Messengers are often gifted with heightened intuition, visions, or the ability to communicate with spiritual beings. They are the conduits through which divine wisdom and guidance flow, bringing messages from the higher realms to those on earth. Messengers play a crucial role in helping others connect with their spiritual selves and understand the deeper meanings behind their experiences. Messengers may find themselves drawn to roles where they can share spiritual insights, whether through writing, speaking, or other forms of communication. Their gift lies in their ability to translate the abstract and mystical into concepts that others can understand and apply to their lives. The messenger's purpose is to ensure that divine guidance reaches those who need it, helping them navigate their spiritual paths with greater clarity and purpose. As a messenger, your divine mission is to be a voice for the divine, to share the wisdom you receive with others, and to help bridge the gap between the physical and spiritual worlds. The seeker is a chosen one whose divine purpose is to embark on the quest for truth. Seekers are driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to uncover the deeper truths of existence. They are not satisfied with surface-level explanations and are always searching for the underlying principles that govern life and the universe. The seeker's journey is one of exploration, discovery, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. Their role is to ask the questions that others may not even think to ask and to delve into the mysteries that surround us. Seekers often find themselves on paths that lead them into diverse fields of study, spirituality, and self-discovery. They are the pioneers of knowledge, willing to venture into the unknown in search of enlightenment. The seeker's purpose is to challenge the status quo, to uncover hidden truths, and to inspire others to look beyond the obvious. As a seeker, your divine mission is to explore the depths of existence, to question everything, and to bring the truths you discover back to the world. The guardian is a chosen one whose divine purpose is to protect the sacred and the innocent. Guardians are fiercely protective, with a strong sense of duty to shield those who are vulnerable and to preserve what is sacred. They are the defenders of purity, whether it is in the form of protecting children, safeguarding spiritual practices, or standing up for the rights of those who cannot defend themselves. The guardian's role is to be the protector, ensuring that the forces of darkness do not corrupt or destroy what is good and pure. Guardians are often drawn to roles where they can actively defend others, whether in physical, legal, or spiritual battles. Their strength lies in their unwavering commitment to their cause and their ability to stand firm in the face of adversity. The guardian's purpose is to ensure that the innocent are protected and that the sacred is preserved. As a guardian, your divine mission is to be a shield for those who need protection, to stand against the forces of darkness, and to ensure that the light continues to shine. The final chosen one is the sage, whose divine purpose is to offer wisdom and guidance to others. Sages are often seen as wise beyond their years, possessing a deep understanding of life and the spiritual laws that govern it. They are the ones others turn to for advice, comfort, and insight. Sages have often lived through many experiences, gaining wisdom that they are now ready to share with those who seek it. Their role is to be the wise elder, offering guidance that is rooted in deep understanding and compassion. Sages are often found in roles where they can counsel and advise others, whether as spiritual leaders, mentors, or trusted friends. Their wisdom is not just theoretical, it is lived and deeply understood. The sage's purpose is to guide others on their paths, helping them navigate the challenges of life with greater clarity and peace. As a sage, your divine mission is to be a source of wisdom, to share the knowledge you have gained, and to help others find their own path to enlightenment. As we have explored the unique roles of these 9 chosen ones, it becomes clear that each has a vital part to play in the spiritual evolution of humanity. Whether you resonate with the visionary, the healer, the warrior, or any of the other chosen ones, your divine purpose is integral to the balance and growth of the world. Recognizing and embracing your role is not just about personal fulfillment, it's about contributing to a greater good, ensuring that the light continues to shine in even the darkest of times. Each chosen one carries a piece of the divine puzzle, and together they form a complete picture that guides humanity towards a higher state of being. By understanding your unique role and stepping fully into it, you align with the divine plan and help to create a world that is more just, compassionate, and enlightened. The journey may not always be easy, but it is one that is filled with purpose, meaning, and the potential to change the world in profound ways. So, as you reflect on the characteristics and missions of these chosen ones, take a moment to consider where you might fit into this divine tapestry. Your purpose is waiting to be fulfilled, and the world is waiting for you to step into the role you were born to play. Embrace it with courage, wisdom, and an open heart, knowing that your contribution is not just important, it is essential.